Ew. All right. Let's vacuum it. Ew again. It's vacuum, but let's wash it. Not too bad. Let's do a pre-scrape and then paint it. All right, it's a little dark, but you can see super sharp. Looks good.